Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So guys, if you are trying to sign in your Apple ID on idmsa.apple.com, or you are trying to sign in your Apple ID on Apple developer application but you are facing this problem and you are unable to sign in your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to your profile, and then you have to tap on sign in and security. And from here you have to simply change the password for Apple ID from here for one time. So as you can see this, you have to simply change the password, and after this you have to simply tap on add email or phone number, and then you have to simply add your email to your Apple ID if there is no email added. So as you can see this, the email is added as primary email. So guys, you have to simply add your email as primary email, and after this try to log in your account again. So guys, hopefully this time you will be able to log in your account very easily on Apple developer website. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.